York, Reuters. The euro held close to a three-year high against the dollar on Tuesday, as the common currency recovered from earlier losses tied to doubts that the European Central Bank would back away from its pledge to keep buying bonds at next week's meeting. Digital currencies tumbled, with Bitcoin dropping as much as 18% to a four-week low near $11,000 after reports suggested it was still possible that South Korea could ban trading them, which intensified fears of a wider regulatory crackdown. Sources close to the ECB told Reuters that the central bank was unlikely to tweak its policy message so soon, as rate setters need more time to assess the outlook for the economy and the euro. For ECB policymakers, they are thinking, "We have to be careful to not feed into this run," said Dragomir, U.S. head of FX strategy at HSBC Securities in New York. The dollar gained against the euro on the Reuters report. The greenback's recovery was also stoked by anxiety over whether German Chancellor Angela Merkel would manage to form a grand coalition to govern. Members of the center-left Social Democrats (SPD) in one of Germany's regions voted against talks with Merkel's conservative Christian Democrats (CDU) on Monday, and fresh headlines on that development triggered a fall in the euro in early European trading on Tuesday. The euro was up 0.06% at $1.2268. Its weakness against the dollar dissipated as Wall Street stocks turned lower on profit-taking that emerged after the Dow hit the 26,000 mark for the first time. The reversal on U.S. stocks kindled safe haven demand for the yen and Swiss franc. File photo, a picture illustration of U.S. dollar, Swiss franc, British pound and euro banknotes January 26, 2011. Reuters, Kakpa Pemple, illustration, file photo. The dollar was down 0.18% at 110 yen and 32 sen, while the greenback was down 0.45% at 0.9586 franc per dollar. The euro's decline did not dent bullish sentiment for more gains in the coming months. Speculators boosted net long positions in the euro to a record high in the week to January 12, according to futures data published on Friday. FX, the dollar's index against a basket of 6 major currencies was down 0.05% at 90.398. It was up from Monday's three-year low of 90.279. A lot of the dollar's early strength was just shortcoming. "There's a lot of heavy bias for dollar weakness," said Lennon Sweeting, chief market strategist at XC in Toronto. Fears of stricter government oversight sparked a broad sell-off in digital currencies. Cryptocurrencies Ethereum and Ripple were down 19% and 29%, respectively. Most cryptocurrencies posted double-digit losses, according to CoinMarketCap. Graphic, Euro takes flight, Reut.rs/Tudorf. Additional reporting by Jemima Kelly in London, Masayuki Kitano in Singapore, editing by Keith Weir and Steve Orlovsky. Our Standards. The Thomson Reuters Trust Principles.